Ever battled the indecision that comes with picking a restaurant for takeout? You land on one app, only to find your favorite dish isn't available. You jump to another, but the delivery fees make your eyes water. And then there's the lingering question. Are you sure you're getting the best deal by ordering through a third-party platform? Many restaurants, especially smaller, independent ones, struggle with the high commissions charged by these delivery giants. It eats into their profits and can sometimes force them to inflate menu prices to compensate. This can leave you, the customer, paying more for your meal than you might directly from the restaurant. So what's the solution? Well, what if there was a way to order directly from your favorite restaurant's online portal, with no hidden fees and straight from the source? This is where TouchBistro's online ordering system comes in. TouchBistro, a restaurant POS powerhouse. TouchBistro is a popular iPad-based point-of-sale system specifically designed for restaurants. It streamlines operations, manages inventory, and simplifies staff scheduling. But did you know TouchBistro offers its own online ordering platform for restaurants that use their POS system? TouchBistro Online Ordering. Taking control back. Here's the beauty of TouchBistro's online ordering. It allows restaurants to create their own branded online ordering portal directly on their website. This means you can order your favorite dishes directly from the restaurant, ensuring you get the most up-to-date menu and accurate pricing. No more third-party markups. Benefits for restaurants and you, the customer. There are several advantages to using TouchBistro's online ordering system for both restaurants and diners. For restaurants, increased profits. By eliminating third-party commission fees, restaurants can keep more money on each online order. This allows them to potentially offer better deals or invest in improving their food and service. Direct customer relationship. Restaurants can gather valuable customer data directly through their online ordering platform. This allows them to personalize future marketing efforts and promotions, ultimately building stronger customer loyalty. Streamlined operations. Integrating online orders directly into their TouchBistro POS system eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving restaurants time and reducing the risk of errors. For you, the customer, save money. Skip the inflated prices and hidden fees often associated with third-party delivery apps. Support local businesses. Order directly from your favorite restaurants and help them thrive. Menu accuracy. Get the latest menu with accurate pricing, ensuring you're not surprised by hidden charges at checkout. Delivery options. Sometimes while TouchBistro doesn't handle delivery itself, some restaurants using the platform may offer delivery through partnerships with services like DoorDash Drive. This allows you to get your food delivered directly without the hefty commissions charged by other delivery platforms. Is TouchBistro online ordering right for you? The availability of TouchBistro online ordering depends on the specific restaurant you want to order from. If your favorite restaurant uses TouchBistro as their POS system, there's a good chance they offer online ordering directly through their website. Here's how to find out. Check the restaurant's website. Many restaurants that use TouchBistro online ordering will have a dedicated Order Online button or link prominently displayed. Give the restaurant a call. They'll be happy to tell you if they offer online ordering and how to access it. A final note, empowering informed choices. TouchBistro's online ordering system is a win-win for both restaurants and customers. It allows restaurants to maintain control over their online presence and pricing, while offering diners a convenient way to order directly and potentially save money. So next time you're craving takeout, take a moment to see if your favorite restaurant offers online ordering through their website. By supporting restaurants directly, you can help them thrive and potentially enjoy a more affordable and convenient dining experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.